Welcome! In this quick beginner guide, I'll show you how to get started with Penligent on Mac, a simple walkthrough made for cybersecurity beginners. First, the interface. Penligent supports multiple languages. Beyond English and Chinese, you can use Japanese, Korean, Spanish, and more. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode anytime, depending on what you prefer. Now, let's start a new task. At the beginning, you'll enter a target you want to test. This can be a website, a URL, or an IP address. If your target requires authentication, you can optionally provide a test account and password. This is useful because Penligent can go beyond basic scanning. It supports business logic testing, meaning it can analyze how the application behaves across different pages, flows, and even subdomains, and then test based on how the business logic connects. You can also provide extra context for the agent as background knowledge. For example, what the application does, what's in scope, which roles exist, or any constraints you want the agent to follow. The more accurate the context, the more focused the testing can be. Once you confirm the target, Penligent automatically begins the recon and scanning stage. This usually takes a few minutes, so a short wait is normal. You can also choose the scanning depth. If you want faster results, select a lower depth like low. If you want deeper coverage, choose a higher setting. It will take longer, but it can discover more. After scanning finishes, Penligent automatically moves into penetration testing. Here's the key part. The agent analyzes the assets it discovered, decides what to test next, selects the right tools, and writes command line instructions tailored to your specific target. These are not generic commands. Penligent generates commands based on the environment and the target's responses, and you can execute them with one click. As results come back, the AI reads the output, summarizes what matters, and explains what it means in a beginner-friendly way. Then it automatically chooses the next step and keeps going in multiple stages, focusing on the most promising risk paths to find deeper issues. If you want to explore the latest vulnerabilities, Penligent can also search for recent CVEs and help you validate them. You can even ask it to generate custom code when needed. For example, a Python script to test a specific vulnerability pattern in your setup. And throughout the process, you can interact in natural language. You can ask questions like, "What's the biggest risk so far?" "Test this endpoint deeper," or "Explain this output to me." Penligent is designed to keep the workflow approachable while you're learning. When you're satisfied with the results, or you feel no deeper testing is needed, you can generate a report with one click. The report is fully editable, so you can adjust wording, remove sections, add notes, and tailor it for your needs. Then export it directly for sharing or documentation. That's the full beginner workflow on Mac. Choose your language and theme, enter a target, run scanning, let the agent test deeper with real tools and real commands, optionally validate new CVEs, and export an editable report when you're done. To try it yourself, visit the official website, penligent.ai. Thanks for watching.
Welcome!